Radhe Radhe friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Pranav. Today I am going to show you how to get free cryptocurrency by taking surveys, installing apps and playing games and various other things. For that, let's go to Play Store and let's search for free cash. Okay, here we are. Click on install. It is installing. Open it. That is my Avast saying that it is a safe. Click on sign up. Now here you can sign up with email, sign up with Steam or sign up with Google. Let's click on sign up with Google. Okay. It's very easy to sign up. Let's load fully. Here you can see. Just click on this and description. Okay, this is a game to play basically. There are various games. Here in the featured offer, like this Lords Mobile. You can also do this. Then go to Time Wall. Okay, micro tasks, clicks and surveys. You get the idea basically, isn't it? Then you go to CPX Research. Here you can complete various surveys to earn crypto. Then you can go to rewards and you go to leaderboard. Okay. Now you can choose global or Indian because we are in India. You can go to rewards and see the reward you have earned. And then when you need to cash out, you can go to shop and you can cash out in Bitcoin, Ethereum, okay, Litecoin, etc., Faucet Pay, etc. And if you don't want crypto, then you can also click on PayPal and you can withdraw your earnings. So that is how it is done. If you have got any questions, do comment in the comment section below and I'll get back to you ASAP. If you liked my video, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Radhe Radhe.